Welcome to ClevKid.
One bright morning, a curious little kid named Alex went to school feeling very excited. When he entered the classroom, he noticed something different. The teacher had placed colorful bottles, cups, and powders on the science table. Alex wondered what was going to happen today. Then the teacher smiled and said,
"Good morning, class! Today is going to be a special science experiment day."
Yay!
The teacher explained that they were going to do a fun and safe science experiment. She showed the class a small cup, some baking soda, and a bottle of vinegar. The teacher asked the students,
"What happens if we mix the powder with the liquid?"
The kids looked curious and started guessing. First, the teacher carefully poured some baking soda into the cup. The students watched closely and leaned forward in excitement. Then she slowly poured vinegar into the cup. Suddenly, bubbles started forming, and the mixture began to fizz and foam like a tiny volcano. The kids' eyes grew wide with amazement. "Wow, look at that!" the children shouted happily. The bubbling foam kept rising and spilling over the cup just like a real volcano eruption. Alex could not stop smiling because he had never seen anything like it before. The whole classroom filled with excitement and laughter. The teacher then explained the science behind the experiment in a simple way. She said that when baking soda and vinegar mix together, they create a gas called carbon dioxide. This gas forms bubbles, which makes the mixture fizz and overflow. The students realized that science can be fun and surprising. By the end of the class, Alex and his friends had learned something amazing. They discovered that science is full of fun adventures and exciting discoveries. As the school bell rang, Alex left the classroom feeling inspired and curious to learn even more science experiments in the future.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something cool. Join us again on ClevKid for more exciting fun.